Hi, grade 8. Are you fine? Today we are going to practice on immunity. Question 1, answer by true or false and correct the false statement. Before we have to learn some rules about this kind of questions. First, we should not change the general meaning of the statement. Second, we must, if the statement is false, we must write it in correct way. If it is true, we simply write true. So, lymphocytes B and T originate and mature in bone marrow. The main idea is lymphocyte B and T originate and mature. In bone marrow, this is the other part of the phrase or the sentence. False. Lymphocytes B and T originate in bone marrow both, but B lymphocyte matures in bone marrow while T lymphocyte matures in thymus. Granulocytes are versions of lymphocytes. This is not true. Granulocytes are versions of phagocytes. Macrophages are the upgraded form of lymphocytes which they destroy the dead cells by phagocytosis. False. Macrophages are the upgrade form of monocytes in which they destroy the dead cells by phagocytosis. Match each term with that with what is appropriate. Hemoglobin, central lymphoid organ, circulatory system. Heart and the blood vessels, red pigment of erythrocytes, bone marrow plus thymus. Hemoglobin is red pigment of erythrocytes, central lymphoid organ, bone marrow with thymus. Circulatory system is the heart and the blood vessels. Question 2. Observe the figure below, then answer the following question. We have two lots of experiments, one for control mouse and the other with experimental mouse. Why, in your opinion, we used control in the above figure? We use control in order to compare the action of radiation on the immune system of the mouse with and without introduced cells. Describe the above figure. A control mouse is injected with an antigen. The result is normal adaptive immune response. However, an irradiated control mouse is injected with the same antigen, results in the absence of adaptive immune response. An irradiated mouse of experiment is injected by lymphocytes, these lymphocytes taken from normal animal, then injected with the antigen. The result is an adaptive immune response is restored. However, an irradiated, let's take the pen. Okay, an irradiated mouse of experiment is injected by cells other than lymphocytes taken from normal animal, then injected with the antigen. The result is no adaptation of an immune response. This is the description of the experiment. What can you deduce about the role of lymphocyte? Lymphocytes are responsible of the adaptation of the immune response. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.